train. You hear the train? It's a steam train. We're going. Ooh, we're going on a train ride. So excited. Let's go buy some tickets. Railroad. Railtown, 1897 State Park. The elevation here is 1476. 6 mile, 45-minute ride. Yeah, let's go inside and ask. Alright. Let's go inside and ask. Hi. You need a kid size. Push the button over there to right there. It says push the button to run the train, and she's like, "Where's the train?" There it is. Welcome to the Monopoly Express. All aboard Tolkok train. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Go ahead. A lot of people. Just yell all aboard.
How y'all doing today?
Fabulous. Be a good wake-up call. Or if you're trying to take a nap, it wouldn't be fun. If my dad was trying to take a nap and he heard this, he'd be like, shit. Said that the locomotive that's running this right now was in Back to the Future 3.
It's in a lot of movies. It's the most pictured locomotive in the world.
Clint Eastwood invested $1 million to remodel.
To renovate it because he would like to use it for his.
So we're now on the
Going to see the engine that time.
Siblings.
in Israel?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do it. Hold on to the They're going to be getting water right now.
Oh, there's water in it.
I would like to point out before they begin rewatering that although the Sierra number 3 tanker is very small, it can still hold just under 3,500 gallons of water. This boiler operates at about 160 pounds per square inch. That's a lot of pressure. So she needs all this water to be able to operate safely.
Beware, guys. They get wet.
Ah, I'm gonna stand
Since they were
back.
They did some work here.
That is-